girl, come here. Yes, officer, the dog there. Ain't he a stray? A stray? Oh, no, officer. He's my dog. Your dog, huh? So, what's his name? His name is, Sandy. That's right, I call him Sandy because of his nice sandy color. Let's see him answer to his name. His name? Well, you see, officer, sometimes he just doesn't like to answer. Call him. Come here, Sandy. Come on. Come on, Sandy. Good Sandy. Good old Sandy. Alright, next time you take him out, I want to see him on a leash with a license, or else he goes to the pound. Yes, officer, I understand. Now get along with you before you get to death in this cold weather. Oh, I don't mind the weather. When I'm stuck with that